इंडस्ट्री को बूस्ट करने के लिए मिडिल ईस्ट में पहली बार गल्फ बाइक एक्सपो 2009 ऑर्गेनाइज की गई। हार्ली डेविडसन, BMW, कावासाकी और यामाहा जैसे बाइक्स वर एग्जिबिटेड और प्रोफेशनल स्टंटमैन अपने जॉ ड्रॉपिंग स्टंट्स दिखाकर लोगों को चौंका रहे थे। A totally dhamakedar experience for biking enthusiasts, showcasing the latest in bikes, ATVs, apparel accessories, custom designed bikes and related products from all major international brands from Europe, USA, Canada, Italy and Japan. After this spectacular display of skill and precision, now I know why they say 4 wheels move the body and 2 wheels move the soul.
My name is Osama Ibrahim. I'm the show manager here for the Gulf Bike Expo. It's all about biking and bikers. I'm a biker myself for a long time, and it was the idea. It started with the Dubai Bike Week, and then we tried to. Dubai Bike Week was a little bit more about the Harley bikes and cruise bikes. This year we tried to gather all kinds of bikes and bikers in one event, which we happily managed to do. We have all kinds of bikes, quads, sport, 4 wheels, 2 wheels, anything related to the bikes industry.
My name is Kevin Smith. I'm the director of the Harley Owners Group in Dubai. Well, I like my own bike, Screaming Eagle Road King, but they're all good. I think if they do the similar sort of thing next year, it'll be twice the size.
Well, I'm a member of the HOG also. My name is Gordon, and I also ride a Triumph, of course. But yes, I think the event's absolutely fantastic. It's a real credit to the organisers, and I'm sure everybody who's come here is fully enjoying it. And the quality of the bikes is amazing. It's just a brilliant event.
I'm Julie Moon. I'm enjoying rides, and today's a show, bike show. I put my bike on the show. My bike, it's a Harley Davidson Heritage Softail 3-wheeler.
My name is Mohammed Salim Katfour. This is basically a Dyna lowrider. Basically, we redone the entire sheet metal. We rebuilt the engine. As you can see, the paint jobs, the spikes, very minor, smaller details that you can see on the bike. That makes a difference.
My name is Mark, and I'm riding for the Dubai Hogs in Dubai. I've got a Heritage Softail and I've got a EVO chopper. Excellent. This is the 4th one I've attended in Dubai, and yeah, I think this is the best so far.
I think it's great. Good concert, nice show, beautiful bikes. Everything's perfect. I enjoy it.
And now, after this high energy ride, let's move on to our next segment, High Focus. हाई फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन इश्यूज को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए और हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. एंड फॉर दिस एंटायर मंथ वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट डायबिटीज. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. Hyperglycemia and other related disturbances in the body's metabolism can lead to serious damage to many of the body's systems, especially the nerves and blood vessels. Facts: diabetes is a silent epidemic, and according to WHO, there are 246 million people in the world living with diabetes. This is almost 6% of the world's adult population. Diabetes in Asians is 5 times the rate of the white population. Diabetes causes 6 deaths every minute, and 1 in 20 deaths in the world is due to the condition. Every year, it is estimated that 3.2 million people in the world die due to the diabetes and its related causes. Diabetes is an important silent killer disease, as there is usually no early symptom of the disease. The commonest early symptom is feeling thirsty. The top 10 countries in numbers of sufferers are India, China, USA, Indonesia, Japan, Pakistan, Russia, Brazil, Italy, and Bangladesh. Overall, direct healthcare costs of diabetes range from 2.5% to 15% of annual healthcare budgets, depending on local diabetes prevalence and the sophistication of the treatment available. Facts about diabetes in the UAE. Diabetes is becoming the disease of the century in the UAE, according to a visiting international expert. 1 out of every 4 citizens of the UAE has diabetes, a federation that includes the city-states of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. With the second highest diabetes rate in the world, treatment gobbles up an estimated 40% of national healthcare budget. With that, we come to the end of another exciting journey. Don't forget to visit our website for more information and also to win lots more gifts. If you're wondering about this location, we are at the most beautiful and luxurious Royal Suite at the Intercontinental Festival City, Dubai. This place has the most spectacular view. See you next week on another episode of High Life Dubai.
I would like to be commercially successful and at the same time have slightly unorthodox choices in order to try new stuff. Keep watching High Life Dubai.